Well, customers reach us in multiple different ways, and they're all unique, which is one reason why I enjoy getting to know the customers and what their challenges are. But they typically present with needing to implement a predictive maintenance program at their facilities. They are planning for end of life for equipment, or they're experiencing power quality issues in their facility that have gone undiagnosed and they don't really know what's happening. So that's where we come in. We will provide that hardware solution to do continuous monitoring of your critical assets, all the while supporting you 24/7 with our engineering staff, letting you know of any critical alerts that happen in your facility and providing you with a monthly report that details out any events that we're seeing or trending. That gives you the power to be able to make decisions on your end for when you want to perform maintenance or change out pieces of equipment. So if you're having challenges in your facility, or you're looking to save money down the road, or sustainability is coming up in conversations in your conference rooms, give me a call and let me see if there's something I can do to help you.
Improve your peace of mind. Contact Volta Insite today.